Business tips in the digital era are to be able to use social media and e-commerce for digital marketing. This can offer great opportunities for businesses of all sizes and industries to easily market their brands and products, as well as reach out and expand their market coverage. However, the number of brands that are competing for the attention of consumers is also increasing. As a result, sales competition is getting harder and difficult. The following are 5 surefire tips to increase sales and build a digital strategy. 1. The importance of first impressions. It takes less than 50 milliseconds for a customer to decide if they like your e-commerce page. Visually appealing communication is essential because 80% of customers will remember what they saw, and 20% of them never forget what they found on the website. High-quality product photos, relevant content, and a great user-friendly website design make for the perfect mix of elements to build an attractive e-commerce store. 2. The right target audience with appropriate recommendations. If you want to provide a good and more personalized shopping experience, then providing relevant product recommendations is the right strategy. In fact, 53% of customers like to see product recommendations on websites that are generally similar to their browsing history. So, it is very important to include a list of products that are also tailored to your promotional targets. 3. Construct an appropriate narrative. A business is not just about products and services. You must have the power to tell the values that a brand brings to be able to build strong relationships with customers according to your target market. Make sure the content shared is consistent with your brand's message and values. The best way to do this is through the creation of relevant content such as blog articles and videos that engage your audience directly to have a greater impact on your brand development and sales. 4. Take advantage of creative and influencer marketing. Each brand has its own uniqueness, as well as the marketing strategy that will be used. Keep an eye on the latest developments in platforms and media that can be used to build strong and creative content strategies. You can improve the performance of your marketing strategy by engaging a network of influencers relevant to your brand. 5. Integrate your business with a purpose. Modern brands can not only meet the needs of consumers, but also have a positive influence and impact on the environment or the surrounding community. Studies show that 87% of customers are willing to buy products from brands that support causes and social issues they care about. You can also strengthen your business by supporting a social cause, such as initiatives to use environmentally friendly materials, health awareness, and participation in social change.